one day, but you not give.
What you want? What I want to give you?
Tell me.
Huh?
You tell me that one day you give me.
No, because I'm busy. No, I have no time for that.
You always rounding, Agoy.
Where? What do you mean?
You always rounding. You telling you no time. See now you always rounding. You buy biryani like.
No, because I'm going work. You thinking, bud?
You looking nice, real sharp.
Huh?
I like sharp.
You're so bad, huh? You look there or drive.
I like sexy, sexy.
Look, you drive.
Yeah, looking drive.
But it's been long time I didn't see you. Where you go?
Me always there, but I did not see you also.
Are you sure? Because I was not working here. Sometimes I working, sometimes not.
Nowadays, which day you are?
I'm going to PCR.
PCR?
Yeah, in New York University.
Now we have PCR here in the city.
But you have to pay money.
No, free there.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Where?
in the church.
Church?
Yeah,
Church of what?
church, your church, pray,
Catholic?
Catholic.
No, I don't want to go there. It's very far.
There also now have their Medor hospital outside.
Much better in New York University because it's safe. Are you doing PCR also?
Yeah, me also today our company doing.
What are you doing?
Our company every week doing.
Your company?
Yeah. Today now I coming duty before I go there I make it.
How many days when you?
Every week.
7 days?
Yeah.
It's like me. Why you follow me? 7 days.
Company say like this.
Yeah, me too. Company is problem 7 days. You know what 7 days? Because it's short time. Every 5 days you have to go. My where?
You living there, Khalifa hospital opposite side, no?
Yes, but
After 3 signal.
I know the church. Yeah, but it's free.
Yeah.
Who told you?
Some lady telling me sometimes coming. I bring the senior like this. She is asking. I telling like this. Where you telling me I coming here this year this.
I don't think so that there is free because I pay money 55 before 65 dirhams. I was thinking that maybe no more bus because it's late in minutes.
Traffic sometimes signal close like this. One signal close, 2 minutes late.
But I don't think so that you are driver now here in the bus. This is a Sadia Island. The driver, his name is Naden. Naden?
Nadir. Nadir. N-A-D-I-R.
Ah, Nadir. So Nadir, yeah. Nadir is talkative. Too much girlfriend.
Yeah, I enjoy this.
He has too much girlfriend. I know him.
I want to enjoy the life.
Yeah, you must be enjoying Nadir because you know life is too short. I know you. Talking, Nadir, talking. What? I told you I don't like. Why? For what? For what the reason?
Before also you were my wife Pakistani.
What? Crazy. It's not. Don't talking like this, Nadir. It's not good. Why you say it me?
Yeah, before I'm asking you, you tell me before.
No, this is not true. You're so bad talking. I feel shy that woman sitting here because
No, this people, English
he understand English.
English people never mind. English people like this other, you know, sex.
Yeah. You know, sex.
Yeah,
You're bad, Nadir.
she enjoys the life.
I know, but it's not good you talking that I have boyfriend. It's not true. You're so bad. I know you have a lot of girlfriend.
Yeah, no, I am no girlfriend. I told you I'm not taking the girlfriend.
That's why I don't like you because I know you're so many.
I'm making the relation for enjoyment.
Enjoy. Just only enjoy? What is that?
Yeah, everyone need other.
I
I told you.
told you I don't like playing.
Me not playing. I'm just telling you truly.
What did you telling me that truly? That about me?
Yeah.
What your?
Yeah, I like you. Yeah. Sometimes I'm too much tired. That's why I'm bring you. I want relax sometimes.
What? Why you are my boyfriend? You are not my boyfriend.
Yeah, make my boyfriend, no problem.
Good. No, because you know what? This is a big sins, you know, big mistake from God. But I saw you one time. You with a lady.
I have too much lady. When I saw
Too much lady.
yeah, anyone lady when she want me, I go rounding anyone lady.
No, I want if I get boyfriend. You know what? If I get boyfriend, I want only me. I don't like that you have a lot of girlfriend and they will fighting. And are you? Then you're fighting. Then you're guapo. You are not guapo. Alay. Nadir.
Okay, yalla, you and me, girlfriend and boyfriend, yalla, come tonight.
What? No. If I need boyfriend, I will get married, not like boyfriend. Because I'm single.
Yeah, me also single.
You're a liar, Nadir.
Yeah, I am single. I told you I'm not married.
How many you have wife?
No, I dear wife. Not married, how can wife? They are all my friends.
But you have a lot girlfriend, Nadir. I don't like too much.
फिर मांगता है क्या चाहिए
I did others. What? What is that?
सेक्सी बेबी
You know, Nadir, I'm not feeling well now, but I'm laughing to you.
me always making happy myself enjoy the life
I know you have to enjoy life because life is too short. But make sure that a woman is a good person. Not playing only, Nadir, is not good.
not playing I'm telling you everything why I'm playing
You are playing with me always.
no I'm not playing to you I'm telling you true everything
Okay, thank you so much and bye-bye. See you again. No, I will come back city. I will come back later, like 3 o'clock. See, bye-bye. Crazy, Nadir. See, bye-bye anymore. Ala! Okay lang, ma-PCR sa ako kaglit.